Marky Dragon, also known as Marcus Eikenberry in real life, and let's talk about cryptocurrency. And, I've been pretty silent about cryptocurrency lately. There's been some reasons for that. And those of you who invest in crypto, tell me, why is it that you are investing? Obviously, it's like an investment. Sometimes you believe in the process that the coin supports. And there's a problem, though. I've been scammed. I've been scammed by a couple of ICOs. And it's made me really jaded on whether or not I want to promote and support new crypto coins. So, why is that, led me to not speaking very much about cryptocurrency? Even though I am still involved with it, I've become very, very gun shy because I don't want to recommend to you something that may fail. Here's the problem. The problem is that double-digit percentages of crypto coins were scams last year. Another double-digit percentage of crypto coins failed last year. They failed to make it even a year. Even if they weren't a scam, they failed to make it even a year. So where does that put us? It puts us at really high percentages of failure. Failure through them not being successful, but being honest and trying, and failure through scams. And I've been affected to both. In fact, one of my biggest losses, the amount where I lost the most in value or in Bitcoin, worth or whatever, is also one that I recommended. And that troubles me a lot because, I don't want to be recommending crap. So, where does that leave me for the future? Here is my belief on the cryptocurrency markets. One is, yes, cryptocurrency will survive. And I'm not talking just like a year from now, I'm talking 10 years from now. But also, it'll be a lot more adopted, a lot more in use, but also, we will have 98% of all of the coins that are out here today will be gone. 98%, that is my prediction. So we're not talking just like, okay, 10% of them are going to fail, 20% of them are going to fail. 98%. So what does that leave us with? Well, it leaves us with a couple of the, primary coins. Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe Litecoin. Litecoin's a little bit iffy, but maybe Litecoin. And then as far as altcoins go, what do I have my faith in? You guys are going to laugh at me. I know you are. My faith is in Dogecoin. I kid you not. And let me tell you why. Because Doge is something special. It is something different. Doge doesn't have a primary purpose or focus. Its creator, who has a day job at Adobe doing marketing, the creator of it, he's like, it has no purpose. I don't know why it takes off. Why is it doing this? Why is it trading so much? Why is it in the, what did I hear last? It had a $73 million valuation, something like that. And more than $1 million in Doge coin a day was trading. Well, there's a couple of things, a couple of reasons why I believe this. One is that it is a social coin, meaning that this was not created to fund a business proposition. It was not created to fund a business process. It was funded as kind of a proof of example and something that was just going to be fun. And because it's fun, that is its surviving factor on why I believe Doge will be here in 10 years. And so, what will its value be? Well, I don't know. Since I have owned Doge, I've seen it, increase in price as much as 4 times what I paid for it, and it's come back down. Currently, it's, I don't know, somewhere between double and triple. you get to a point where you quit looking every day. As a new investor, I was looking every day. And but you get to a point where it doesn't matter because it's an overall long-term strategy. And so if something goes awry, fine. That is part of the plan. If something does well, great. That is also part of the plan. And so my largest holdings happen to be in Doge. Now, I'm not telling you that I believe this because of my largest holdings being in Doge. I'm telling you this because Doge is what I believe in, and that is why I made that investment in that way. And so from there, I believe that Doge actually has a future. It also, now, what are my future plans for cryptocurrency? And my future plans for cryptocurrency include taking it at our business, but it also in our bots that we run on Twitch and YouTube and such, where we have these metacurrencies, metagame going on. I truly believe that Doge is the perfect coin for that stuff. There is no, what coin belongs to the internet? I can't think of another one other than Doge. There may be other ones that say that they belong to the internet, but how long will they survive? Doge has already shown that it has survivability. So, that is why I believe it, and it's cheap, which it needs to be. It needs to be a low cost per coin in order to have perceived good value when used as a metacurrency in places like Twitch chat, YouTube chat, and stuff, in the loyalty points that are given there. So now I have just exposed part of my future plans for my cryptocurrency and for the software applications that I support and that I'm working on. And so now I probably will continue to turn down almost every cryptocurrency ICO that comes across my desk, and at least as far as doing videos on it. And the reason for that is that they are so hard to figure out whether or not they have good survivability. And at this point, I'm not interested in touting to you something that pays me to promote to you. I'm not interested in that. I'm interested in making very accurate and very good suggestions and ideas and everything of how we can use cryptocurrency in the future. And I'm a firm believer, the blockchain technology, way more successful than any coin. Way more successful. The coins are a byproduct of that. And so I believe that that stuff is here to stay and is really, really solid in. And that's why we will have coins that will survive 10 years from now. But may not look like what we currently think things should look like. And anyway, so give me your comments. Do you think Doge will survive in 10 years? I know Bitcoin and Ethereum will. Litecoin most likely. What other coins out there do you think really have the survivability for the next 10 years? Tell me in the comments, and maybe in 10 years, we'll come back and look at this video and see how many of you are right. I'm Marky Dragon. Take care.